The Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5 will certainly be Samsung's most interested phone launches of this year. The company is expected to unveil the new devices towards the end of next month. However, it's yet to confirm an official announcement date at this point in time. Rumors continue to filter in about these devices. The latest suggests that both the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Galaxy Z Flip 5 will be dust resistant. That will be the logical improvement over the existing water resistance capabilities of their predecessors. The Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip series already have the distinction of being the world's first water-resistant foldable phones. They have had an IPX8 rating so far, which means that while they're protected against water ingress, they weren't rated for dust resistance. That could change with the upcoming models. Tipster Chun claims that both the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5 will be dust-resistant with an IP58 rating. This isn't the first time that the same claim has been made by the same person. Back in March, the tipster claimed that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be dust-resistant. It's possible that Samsung is making this logical improvement for both of its foldable phones this year. It will be a welcome improvement for sure. Dust isn't the best of friends with the complicated hinges used in these phones. If these devices are better at keeping dust out, they will certainly be more durable. None of this has been confirmed officially as yet, so best to take it with a grain of salt for now. We still have over a month to go before the new foldables are unveiled, so we'll definitely be hearing a lot more rumors till then. Samsung powered the Galaxy Z Fold 4 with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC. We currently don't have a Plus variant of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, but Qualcomm could announce it before the launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 5. If so, we expect the Galaxy Z Fold 5 to use the newer SoC. If not, the Snapdragon for Galaxy chipset would likely be included. This is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 seen in the Galaxy S23 range. Perhaps the most important rumor is the camera specs of the phone. Reports suggest the Galaxy Z Fold 5 could have a 50-megapixel main camera, 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and 10-megapixel telephoto camera. He added that we should also expect new image sensors, but it's unclear if this applies to all cameras or specific lenses. Both the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Fold 4 were priced at $1,799 when they launched. We don't expect Samsung to drop the price lower for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. We also don't expect Samsung to price the new foldable higher than its predecessors, especially given the current state of the global economy. It would be unwise for Samsung to increase smartphone prices and make its flagship foldable even more unreachable than it already is for most folks. Anyhow, guys, what are your opinion on that? Let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace out.